Um, it'd be better if you
couldn't.
stopped sitting there.
I couldn't move, Russell. I got tracked.
I can imagine that.
It won't get rid of it, Russell. I've been in games where I've been spectating people and it's been beeping like that. Yes.
What? You've had that sound? I've never had that sound.
No, when I've been spectating on people, it's been doing that sound.
What?
It looks like that. Every time I've had it, the person's been on like.
Maybe it's
below
because your
50%
radio
health.
is damaged? I don't know, because it's wargaming. They like to screw you over in every possible manner.
Told you. Told you.
Spectate someone else, see if it's... Oh, it's still going? Oh wow.